Dubai's Venom tuning house has taken the ultra-luxury world by storm once again, this time turning its attention to the Rolls-Royce Dawn. Known for creating bold, attention-grabbing wide-body kits, Venom previously showcased a dramatic overhaul for the Wraith, and now the convertible sibling receives the same treatment. With U.S. availability confirmed, this latest project is set to appeal to a very niche clientele, as production is limited to just 25 units worldwide, making it a rare spectacle for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The Venom Dawn takes a radical departure from Rolls-Royce's understated elegance. At the front, the iconic chrome grille is replaced with a geometric-patterned white panel, featuring triangular perforations that give the car a futuristic concept car vibe. The lower intake openings are reshaped to match the motif, while auxiliary lights protrude from the bumper, partially obscuring the original headlights. Even the Spirit of Ecstasy has been reimagined in white, complemented by an orange Rolls-Royce badge, further emphasizing the car's unique character. The transformation doesn't stop at the front fascia. New front and rear quarter panels, combined with exaggerated rocker panels, stretch the car's silhouette to make it appear wider and more aggressive. The wide-body aesthetic is completed with solid face wheels featuring a brushed finish, reminiscent of vintage aero discs, but executed with a modern twist. While the look is bold and unconventional, it aligns with Venom's ethos of standing out rather than blending in. At the rear, the Dawn has undergone a complete redesign. The original tail section is replaced with ultra-slim tail lights and a continuous LED light bar spanning the width of the car. A reshaped lower bumper houses an aggressive diffuser and a pair of aftermarket exhaust outlets, emphasizing the car's performance-inspired stance. The matte white finish covering the entire body, whether paint or wrap, completes the wide-body's striking visual impact. Inside, the theme continues with a high-contrast white and orange leather interior. While it's unclear whether this particular color scheme is factory-supplied or part of Venom's custom package, it matches the exterior's boldness and complements the wide-body's daring aesthetics. The cabin's luxurious finishes maintain the Rolls-Royce DNA while making a strong statement about the owner's taste for the extreme and unconventional. Beyond aesthetics, the Dawn retains its convertible charm, offering an open-air experience paired with Rolls-Royce's signature comfort and craftsmanship. The wide-body treatment does not compromise the car's performance or engineering, ensuring that while it turns heads visually, it still delivers the smooth and powerful driving experience expected from a Rolls-Royce. With production limited to only 25 units, the Venom Dawn widebody is destined to become a rare collector's piece. Its extreme styling, combined with Rolls-Royce's natural prestige, ensures that each car will be a standout on roads and car shows alike. For those willing to embrace bold design and exclusivity, the Venom Dawn offers a rare opportunity to own one of the most visually daring convertibles in recent memory.